Hello, in today's quick video we'll be replacing this headlight bulb on this 2013 Toyota Yaris. This headlight should be on right now, but isn't. Anyways, let's get started with the removal. Our first step is to disconnect the electrical connector. There is no tab to squeeze in or anything. It's just a matter of sliding the connector back and off. Let me try and disconnect it with my other hand so you can get a better look at it. You'll want to avoid pulling on the wires and pull back on the actual connector instead. Don't worry about the grease on the connector. It's meant to keep the water away, so leave it on there. Next, we'll want to pull back and remove this rubber seal by pulling on these little tabs. And this works as a seal between the housing and the bulb to keep any moisture out. Now to remove the bulb. To do this, all you'll need to do is press down here on this spring and slide it out of this little hooked area. And once it's soft, just pull the spring back far enough to remove the bulb. Not sure how well you can see it, but that filament for the low beam, which is the top one, is broken, being the reason why the light does not come on. And this is the replacement bulb I'll be using. You'll want to avoid touching the glass portion of the bulb directly with your fingers, since any oil can affect the longevity of the bulb. So instead, you'll want to grab it from back here near the back of the bulb. And when installing it, you'll want to install it with a single tab up top to line it up with the housing, making sure that it sits in fully before letting go. Otherwise, the bulb may fall out before installing the retaining spring. Now with the bulb in place, just slide the retaining spring over, pressing down in the same spot, and latch it back in place. Now for the rubber seal. You'll want to get it over the headlight bulb prongs first, and that'll line it up with the rest. Then just go around the seal, pressing down till it sits fully. Now finally the connector. Just line it up and press it in till it fully seats. And now all that's left is turning on your headlights and enjoy a job well done. And that does it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If so, please click that thumbs up button to support my video and my channel. And please subscribe if you haven't done so.